In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Android phone through Bluetooth to Pioneer's AVH-110BT. It is super easy to pair your Android phone to the Pioneer AVH-110BT. So I want to be on a source. You can see right here I'm on the AM/FM radio source. Now I'm going to go to the phone and check my settings here. And under Bluetooth, I'm going to say pair a new device. Now that'll begin to search for devices, and you can see it found the AVH-110BT, so let's select that. And that generates a pairing request. So would you like to pair with this device 512537? That's the same number over here. So we'll say yes and pair on the phone, and the two devices will be paired. Now I know the device is paired when I see the Bluetooth logo lit up in blue right here. So there's a second way that you can pair your phone, and this time we'll start the search from the in-dash receiver and we'll search for the phone. So the first thing I want to do here is go to my Bluetooth settings. So I'll touch the gears up here and I want to go to the Bluetooth settings, but you can see the Bluetooth settings are grayed out. So I have to engage the parking brake of the vehicle. When I engage the vehicle's parking brake, you can see the Bluetooth settings become available. So I'm going to select the connection menu here and go to the magnifying glass to search for devices. Now it's really important to go to your phone and open the Bluetooth window. This often makes the phone visible to other Bluetooth devices. Here you can see we found the Pixel 2. That's this phone over here. So I'm going to say cancel here. I'm going to select Pixel 2. That will generate a pairing request, 095602, same number over here. So yes, I want to pair with that device, and we'll say pair on the phone, and the two devices are paired. And it will automatically transfer the phone book. I know I have a connected device when I see the Bluetooth logo right here lit up in blue.